Calm, quiet, and fall-like. A break from the heat that we've had for weeks now is finally here. It doesn't seem like it's going to stick around long, but at least we get a couple of days where we can enjoy our outdoor time because it's still dry. That has not changed and will not change unless we pick up some decent rain in the next day or so, but it doesn't seem like that's possible either. Regardless, it is still the pattern that we sit in. Outside, it's been pretty dry throughout the day. We've had drier air move in at the surface, which limits the rain potential. Not the case in northern Arkansas, Missouri, and even Oklahoma throughout the course of the day today, where showers and thunder showers have been kind of hanging out, even in western Tennessee kind of getting in on the mix. Some thunderstorms still hanging out in Mississippi, and some down there in Texas as well. What used to be Lorena, a hurricane, still dropping some rain as it's made landfall and continues to push into the Four Corners, so they'll be dealing with that for a couple of days as well. But that seems to be about it nationwide. At least the east half of the United States dealing with high pressure, and that will keep things pleasant for the next day or so. Even with a southerly wind, we will keep the dew point temperature down, so that means a very comfortable heat throughout the day tomorrow. As we get into the Thursday time frame, cloud coverage starts to increase, a chance for a few showers and thunder showers as we make our way into the morning hours. And then by the afternoon, the high pressure already starting to build in. And because it's so quick on the heels of this cold front, that does mean that the warming effect with this high pressure will be almost immediate as we get into the end of the week. So that's how things are going to progress throughout the next 3 days. You notice at least a small chance for showers Wednesday, but a better chance comes in Thursday, especially south of Interstate 64, with a chance for an isolated shower or thunder shower. Everything clears out as far as the clouds are concerned as we get into the afternoon of Thursday. So a very quick turnaround after this cold front comes through. Tomorrow we're at 84, so warmer, but still comfortable. A little cooler by Thursday, mainly just because of all the cloud coverage and that slight bit of cooler air working in. But by Friday, we flip the script. 78 to 87 in just 24 hours because of what's going to be happening with the jet stream. Watch how it dips on Thursday, but then starts to bubble back up on Friday. And then getting into the weekend, next week, another center of high pressure, at least in the jet stream, will keep blocking all of the rain and all of the cool air that could potentially reach us next week. And that will lead to another summer-like pattern. It's high pressure, drier, warmer than normal air sits with us in the southeast, while all that cooler, wetter air remains up in Canada all the way throughout the extended period. So the Climate Prediction Center has put out a 6 to 10 day temperature outlook saying 90% chance, which means it's going to happen. At this point, we know that next week is going to feel like summer versus like it should this time of the year. And you'll notice that temperature trend going just one dip before it climbs back up into the upper 80s. 90 by Sunday, 92 into Monday, and that's not even the warmest we're going to get. If you like summer, next week is going to be your week, especially since we don't get too many more like this. Temperatures reaching the mid-90s, which if we do on Tuesday, that 94, that will likely be a record. But until then, at least another day with warm temperatures. I mean, 84 is still pretty warm, but at least it's a comfortable heat versus hot and humid like what next week is going to be.
In other words, live in the moment.
That's right.
Always good advice.
Enjoy what we have while we have it.
That's right. Thanks, Seth.
Yep.